This is 7 National News, and in our top story, UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has stated that the UAE Cabinet retreat at Sir Banias Island in Abu Dhabi will mark the kick-off of a series of similar discussion retreats in which the government makes use of public feedback, ideas and suggestions to develop the healthcare and education sectors. Sheikh Mohammed also said that the agenda of the first Cabinet retreat has been set. Discussions based on the results of the National Brainstorming Initiative will take place over the course of 2 days. The first day will examine ideas to develop the education sector, whereas the second day will tackle the issue of developing the healthcare sector. In detail, suggestions and ideas have been classified by a team of specialists into 5 broad categories. For the education sector, the categories focus on teachers, teaching methods, enhancing the skills of students, means to improve ratios of students who complete high schools, university and postgraduate studies, and aligning education outcomes with the present and future requirements of the different sectors of the economy. The second day of the retreat will take a closer look at the suggestions to develop the healthcare sectors, with categories looking into the quality of healthcare services for the public and private sector, efficiency and competence of the healthcare staff, developing the specialised medical services, and measures to limit the spread of diseases within society. In his capacity as the ruler of Dubai, UAE Vice President and Prime Minister, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum has issued Decree number 41 of 2013 concerning the regulation of the holiday homes market in the Emirate of Dubai, with the objective of contributing to the growth of the tourism industry by broadening the range of accommodations available to visitors. The decree dictates that Dubai's Department of Tourism and Commerce Marketing will be responsible for the granting of licenses to those parties who intend to rent out a furnished residential property on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. Commenting on the decree, His Excellency Hilal Said Al Marri, Director General of DTCM, said that the regulation of renting properties as holiday homes will have a considerable positive impact on 2 of Dubai's key industries, tourism and real estate. With regards to real estate, this decree provides a potential revenue stream for owners of a second or multiple properties, an alternative to renting out the property on an annual lease. Following the issuance of the decree, DTCM will now commence preparations to activate the directives and establish the processes required. International and regional legal experts have gathered for this year's International Forum for Family and Juvenile Prosecutions to discuss the best practices and prosecution measures for family and juvenile cases. The 2-day forum has attracted experts from Turkey, United States, France, Bahrain and Qatar as they shared the experiences and prosecution procedures with the experts from Dubai. The keynote speaker during the event, Judge Dr. Jamal Al-Sumaiti, Director General of Dubai Judicial Institute, stated that the conference allows an exchange of practical experience from international visitors, which will be useful to formulate effective policies and improve existing laws to deal with the family and juvenile cases at the national level, whilst protecting families and advancing social development. Dr. Nurdan Okur, General Director of Department of International and Foreign Relations in Turkey, was the guest of honour at the forum, who discussed the practices applied in Turkey when prosecuting minor offenders. According to her, imprisonment of minors can create a negative impact, and the prosecution should be the last resort.
This field is still young. It's not a mature field, and there are some gaps in this area. Perhaps we have a law concern about the juvenile, but we don't have law regulate the family. Yeah, we have a family law, but not with the crimes related to the family. So it is the area I think not many people and not many organizations decided to go through. It's like a dark tunnel, and we need to investigate through, to scrutinize, and to get the maximum benefit, and also to light so many dark rooms in this tunnel.
Children are very important of the world because they are our future, and we have to share our experiences, and we are here to share our experiences, and we follow other steps, our developments in this field.
Dubai Customs in Jebel Ali have foiled an attempt to smuggle in 28.3 tons of tobacco derivative Neswar, making it one of the largest seizures of banned toxic substances in the Emirates. According to a local report, Ahmad Mahbub Musabbah, the executive director of customs management at Dubai Customs, said the shipment came from an Asian country and was hidden in 375 bags to mislead customs officials. Musabbah said that the owner of the cargo was an Asian national who tried to deceive authorities by hiding his container behind other companies in Jebel Ali. Sale and production of Neswar is banned in the country. The product is highly addictive due to the tobacco powder infused into it. A study conducted in 2011 by the Department of Pharmacy at the University of Peshawar in Pakistan revealed that about 50% of the total oral cancer cases reported in Pakistan were related to Neswar usage. Dubai police are urging motorists to check their fines before paying. According to a local report, Dubai police have stated that traffic fines will be waived if it can be proved that the violation was not committed. Major General Mohammed Saif al-Zafin, director of Dubai Police Traffic Department, was quoted as saying that people can visit the Traffic Violations and Fines Department and ask for a picture of the violation at a cost of 30 dirhams. If the claim is found to be justified, the fine will be waived. He stressed that the police are willing to review any traffic fine and admitted the possibility of mistakes. It was a creative day at the Safar Park on Friday afternoon as graffiti artists led a public art workshop as they decorated the blank walls of the archive with what is now a permanent piece of art. The workshop was led by the Barcelona-based Ruben Sanchez, known for his Mediterranean abstract work, and the French-Tunisian artist El Cid, whose work is a fusion of Arabic calligraphy and graffiti, which he calls calligraffiti. The artists shared their inspirations and techniques whilst leading art workshops with the participants. The archive in Safar Park is a recreational facility and a popular workspace for the community with frequent workshops and activities organised for the general public. This art workshop was titled Reimagine Your Community Through Art, as the graffiti artists, along with the participants, created a work of art depicting cultural and social aspects of the community.